Hello, champ! Do you know these fluffy paws that you see on your cat? That fluffy cute paw on your doggo, and those paws are so cute, but when you try to draw them, well, you know what I'm talking about. Your paw doesn't really look like a paw. So here today I'll be showing you how to draw those beautiful paws, how they work, and how to master it, and start drawing those paws outstandingly beautiful. I'm creating words, yes, and I'm sure people are going to love to see your drawings. You are going to impress friends, you are going to maybe get more customers, and I know that you want that in your life, as I did. So hit the like button, share with a friend that may need it, and let's start. Let's start! I'm going to show you today how to draw a cat paw and a dog paw. There's not such a huge difference, but I believe that you must know that. I want you to notice some things that are truly important. Remember when we did hands, we saw this tendon? These tendons, yeah, doggos have tendons too. They have tendons all the way, okay? And this is what gives that strong look when you draw a paw that is like, eh, when you're forcing the paw. This art is from GabyT Wolf. You can see here the tendons, just like human hand. Do you see here? These are tendons, tendons. Pushing, and pulling the hand. Here, can I show it? Some tendons. Tendon. Yeah, you need to draw tendons. So you understand right now that we need tendons and make that line of the tendon right here. Okay, pretty good. Now let's go to the claws. The part that is protecting the claw, just like on your nail, there is a little part here that some people like to take it off from the nail. Don't take it off. By the way, we got this curvature going down. This is articulation. And here, the little puff part. This puff part, it's a total of 4 that touch the ground, and with the main one here in the middle. They need that. They really need that. There's one here in the back. I don't really understand why. I never understood why doggos got this part here. I don't really understand, but this one, right on the side, it's like the thumb. The thumb was mostly like when they are like hunting. He would like grab on the meat of the prey. Also, doggos got muscles. I know, it's strange, but yes, they got muscles. Everybody got muscles. Claws. Nothing difficult. And you see almost the same movement that happens with cats, but with cats it's a little bit more strong, you know. Divide in the middle. But Gab, is this not the middle? This is not the middle. Remember, we are using a 3/4 perspective. So this is the middle. See this? Yeah, this is the middle. We break it right here. And then this is a 2 break. We break it in 2 points. Now we break again here. Wow! Wow, we break it again, and it's looking fabulous. Yes, but there is only 3 fingers. You can do another one here. Up, going up, or you can just, no, not even erase. Just do like this. Because the other finger is not really going to show. The nail is going to show. The claw is going to show. Okay, like this is a triangle. Do you see the triangle here? We are going to separate in triangles. But instead of doing this part here, like this, we're going to make it like this. And instead of making this polygon right here, we're going to make it more organic, okay? Like this. We are going to make the tendons. Yeah, exactly just like we saw it. And now we can start making the line of the fur. I didn't add any fur yet. Here, adding some fur. Here, adding more fur. Here, adding more fur. This is the movement that I'm using to do the fur. Just this, it's pretty simple. There is this puffy thing in the back, but you can also do like this on this side to show that the thumb is still there. See? This thumb is still here. You just cannot see it, but it's still here. And here the little creepy thing that we saw. Also, if you want to make the paw into a more, let's say a more cartoon style, want to make it big, you can make it big. You can make it even bigger. That's what they tend to make on more cartoon paws. I'm doing this part here brighter, but I think I can show you something different. If the light was coming from above, if you want to do this, I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. Oh, the part here darker, okay? Make here brighter, brighter, here darker, here darker. Here brighter, brighter, brighter. You could just make like this. But remember, this needs to be according to the type of light and shadow that you're looking for, okay? locking this layer right now, taking a white color and apply it where it should be. Where? On the side, of course.